So today we're going to do a boys' bedroom makeover, and we're going to do a half wall. So to start this makeover, this room had some bare gyprock walls. So we're going to first clean them down with a microfiber cloth to get rid of any sanding, dust and debris before going in with our primer. Today we're using Dulux One Step Prep, and we're going to just do one coat over this wall so we've got a nice foundation for our top coat. Once that's fully dry, we can start with the ceilings. So we're using Porter's paint here in the shade Popcorn, and we're going to do 2 coats on the ceilings in their ceiling flat. We're going to start with painting our lightest colour first. So we're going to do Porter's Popcorn on top. We'll do 2 coats of that and wait for it to fully dry before we measure where our half wall is going to go to and tape a line around. And it's important to remember when you're doing that top coat as well to come down further than where your line is going to be, so then you've got a nice clean edge. Once your tape's on, we're going to do a bleed seal coating, and that's the key secret to getting that crisp, clean line, and to make sure that bleed seal is fully dry before you move on to the next step. So to finish off, we're going to do Studio Grey by Porter's down the bottom. Same as the top, we're going to cut in with our brush and roll out 2 coats of this. This is also in that beautiful eggshell finish, which is a great option for kids' rooms. It's really hard wearing and cleans up really well. And that's it, a beautiful bedroom ready for this boy to enjoy for years to come.